Okay, go.
Get off the
Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new, all-amazing Onna. We have a live studio audience today. Yeah! What a beautiful audience. Woo! And Anna's debuting the new hair. Isn't it beautiful? I got 40% off. I'm gonna show it off. So, and I'm all beautiful and glamorous. And my beautiful new umbrella.
Which we've seen because you were twirling it.
Right, which I made my grand entrance with. So, by the way, this wig weighs like 40 pounds. It's really heavy. So, and we're here up in New Hampshire, somewhere in New Hampshire.
Langdon, sweetie.
We're in the nature. Look at the beautiful nature. Isn't it beautiful?
Nature.
And today we're going to be doing a little nature walk with Onna and Aislinn and our beautiful studio audience. So, okay.
We should go up to the school.
We should. Let's start our nature walk with some education. Okay. This is a bush. It's a happy little bush. And this happy little bush is doing happy little things. Our studio audience isn't paying very good attention.
Hey! No screwing each other in the audience, please!
Okay, we have a pretty wild audience. It's a pretty exciting show. Tickets go on sale next week. Okay, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is a tree. And like the bush, it's doing very happy tree things. And my dress is doing beautiful things, but I don't want you to see my naughty Onna parts. My genitalia parts. So.
Oh shit. You're gonna have to watch this.
It's beautiful out. It's all natural and everything.
Okay.
The studio audience is really.
I'm really getting excited over there.
Oh, I already did.
Yeah, no, we are. We have 4 minutes, so let's go.
Awesome. Hey people, we're back to a little commercial break. Technical problems. So this is Onna.
Really, I couldn't tell.
This is Onna and Aislinn on a little beautiful nature walk in the depths of New Hampshire.
Nature.
Nature, isn't it gorgeous? I love nature. Of course nature is gorgeous because it spawned me. So it has to be beautiful, right? God, asshole. The stupid twig tried to jump up my dress. Doesn't it know I'm not for sale?
Apparently not.
Oh, watch this, this is pretty awesome. Okay, I had to. Alright, now let's go on our nature walk here.
Up the hill.
Up the hill. Onna doesn't really do hills, but we'll try our best.
Here, you keep going. I want to film from behind.
Oh god. Really heavyweight here, people.
Especially going up a hill. Jesus Christ. So we're not. We're just moaning and groaning. Going up the
I
hill.
feel like we're climbing Mount Olympus or something. Good god.
We're watching Hercules. Don't mind us. Oh, look, and there in the distance is Fail Mountain.
Queen of the mountains!
He's Queen of the Mountain, apparently. Hello. See that? That my people?
Take it in.
Library. Sports field. Way over there is animals. This little tutoring set. We have like 2.5 minutes left. Hey, back to Onna. What do you think of that mountain?
What do I think of Fail Mountain?
Yeah.
I think that Fell Mountain is called Fell Mountain for a very, very good reason. It's the kind of place where you can't really understand why it's called Fell Mountain until you've actually been here. And with that said, I think, well, they have a greenhouse, which is more than I can say for, you know, my own personal experience.
We also have a barn, a maple sugaring hut.
Loud cows who shit constantly.
A lot.
And it smells. Don't you worry, it does indeed smell.
1 minute, 48 seconds.
Okay.
We're counting down because my camera's going to stop working about 1 minute and 40 seconds. So, say goodbye. We'll see you in the ghettos of Walpole.
Right. I will see you people at a later date. I just wanted to come back to you all and show you my new beautiful self with my new beautiful wig. Hopefully you'll never ever see the old one again. This one will be here for a long time. And we will talk again soon, my loves.